Well, cows that up. There has been a great deal of interest in the video I made a little while ago about counting stuff from the air, in my case, cows. Now, in that first video that I made about this subject, I tried and failed, and I'd sort of given it up for dead, really. But Vlad from countthings.com and the company Count Things, who, funny enough, count stuff, reached out, got in touch with me and sort of said I was doing it wrong. And I said, well, I'll tell you what, why don't you come on and explain exactly what I was doing wrong, and then after that I'll try again. So in the second video, I'll put that link to it below, we had a hangout and he explained exactly how I should take photos and what was required, and all seemed great. And he also said, oh, well, we're going to update the app as well, or in particular update the template that we use for counting cows. Tickety boo, jobs are good, and say I will go out forthwith, if not fifthwith, and take some more photos. Then a snag arrived. We moved house, and I temporarily was uncertain of the position of our DJI, or my DJI Phantom 3 Pro charger. I found that charger today. It was close, it doesn't really matter where I was, but I found the charger today. So that meant I could go out to the same field and look at the same cows and try again. So I did just that. I updated the Count Things app. I also updated the template. Did what you do, which is select the area where you want to count stuff, and then you hit the magic count button, and allegedly, and this would be the first time it happened for me, it would all work and everything would be great. But unfortunately, as you're about to see, it just didn't work, and I think it's my PC. So that made me think, well, why not try it on the phone? Maybe it'll work on my phone. I didn't want to. My phone's small. It's only one of these little jobs here, a Nexus 5, so not much of a display. So I tried it. I could have dragged the images I took in today into my phone, but I didn't. I just took a picture of this very PC screen, and just to see if it would work. And funny enough, I found the app slightly more intuitive than the PC version because, as ever, I never read the instructions because that's what you shouldn't do. You sort of colour in, as you'll see, and this is my first go of the app that you're seeing here, so I don't know what I'm doing with it. But you colour in or you highlight the area of interest within the image before you hit the count button. And it's all very, very straightforward, and it actually worked. Now, the only snag with this demonstration, or in this version of it, is once it's done the count, you can't see the little dots and you can't really zoom in. Anyway, it's a pain. Hopefully, and I haven't looked, I probably should have looked, but hopefully the data will get synced with the main account, and you can look at it in a browser. I'm sure it can do something like that. But basically, I think this was a bit of a win, really. It works. To all intents and purposes, it seems to work. Now, I would like to try and go and find something more, well, two things I'd like to try. The first thing is I'd like to work a little bit more with Vlad to see exactly why my PC version isn't working. It's a bigger screen with my old eyes. It would be much better to use the PC than my little phone. I guess if you had a big tablet, it'd be fine. And then I'd like to go off and find something more interesting to count in Africa and see how we did with it. So maybe you can tell me in the comments below what you'd like me to go out and try and count, and I'll try and do it. I have some ideas. I've got access to zebra, giraffe, all manner of other things. So we'll give that a go. You can see below me right now, countthings.com is the place to go and find this. And I'll also put some links to the other couple of videos about it. So like, subscribe, do whatever else you need to do on the tube of the you, dear viewer. And don't forget to join us again at 2100 GMT every Tuesday for our Drone and Sundry Hangout, in which Bruce, Lou and I bother some grown-ups from the drone world who care to take some time out of their busy days to bother to listen to us. So have a lovely weekend. Hopefully see you on Tuesday. Take care for now. Bye bye.